are you always locked in your dark room reading your nasty old books? Why do you have to be so creepy?
I'm not creepy. I'm just different.
So, come on, Raven, admit it. You were totally scared.
I don't do fear. BeastBoy, it's me! Don't make me hurt you! You're kind of funny. You think I'm funny?
Raven, look out!
I acted like a jerk. I'm sorry. You weren't yourself. Who knew we had a doctor in the house?
I told you we'd win you a prize.
You may not like your birthday, but we're all glad you were born. Please tell me this isn't another ridiculous prank.
Okay. Yo, Raven, try one. They're loaded with soybeany goodness.
I respect that you don't eat meat. Please respect that I don't eat fake meat.
Come on, Raven. I know you hate fun, but it's your birthday. It's special. You can't let this day end without me. No! I won't let you hurt her again.
You won't like me anymore. He already doesn't like me.
Come on. That's it. Oh, no, you don't. I've had it with this mystery girl routine.
I thought you didn't like me.
Thought you didn't like me. Easy, I didn't mean it. Please don't. I was trying to be nice. But no matter how hard I try, she still treats me like tofu eggs.
Sure. I've always thought you were funny, BB.
Yeah, Raven. You should have seen the look on your face.
This look?
No, that's more angry than scared.
I already told you I don't get scared.
Raven, she's gonna be all right, isn't she?
I'm not afraid of you anymore.
Fear me, but look who's afraid of you.
Oh, well, I just wanted to make sure you were okay.
He didn't hurt me. He saved me.
We really are friends? Come on, Raven, you know I'm hilarious. And I'm not gonna give up until I get you to smile. Raven, are you?
Please, just get out of my way.
Hi. Raven just needs time to get used to you. I think she's still getting used to me. I'm sorry that we broke your heart.
Having that thing inside doesn't make you an animal. Knowing when to let it out is what makes you a man.
No, Raven, but you're not.
If love is what you need, a soldier I will be.